guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Jia here, and in today's video I am going to be teaching you how to make metallic slime. And guys, after so long time I am on my channel because of some reason I was not available on my channel and I was having 5 to 6 videos, but by default it get deleted. So for now this is my first video. So yeah guys, let's get started. So first of all, you going to be needing a bowl, any clear glue, you can use Favigum, and this recipe is with Indian products. So now we will pour our glue in like this. And let's add some water. Like this, and add some water, and now we are going to be mixing it. And guys, now we are going to be adding our metallic powder. As you can see, this is our metallic powder, golden color. So super pigmented, as you can see. And guys, you can make this slime in clear glue only, because in white glue it will get so brown color. As you can see, it is very pretty. It is very shiny too. Sorry guys for dullness. Now it's time to add our activator in. This is my activator. You can use any slime activator, and this is my activator. So if you want to know how to make activator, comment me down. And mix. Add it time by time and mix. And do not add much activator. And guys, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and press the bell icon for my new videos notification. It is almost ready, but you have to knead it because it is little sticky. And guys, you should knead every slime because slimes are sticky only. It is very pretty. I love metallic slimes. And guys, if you want to know more about slime, that how to make glow in the dark slime, how to make without borax slime, any slime, please comment down below, and I will upload every week. So yeah guys, please stay tuned and subscribe my channel too. It is little sticky. Add some more activator and start kneading it like this. And guys, my next video will be on slime activator, but if you want to know how to make it, so you can comment also, and I will post it another week. As I told, I will post every week a video. It is getting sticky, but Yeah, it is too pretty. As you can see, my hands glittery. So guys, to clean this mess over here, I don't know you can see or not, here is water, so I will clean it with a cloth. Now let's see our slime. It has now cleaned well. Sorry guys for camera disturbance. It is too pokey as you can see and too pretty. Super pigmented too. So yeah guys, this is my slime and how this has turned out. So if you like this slime and my video, please give a slimy thumbs up and comment down below, subscribe down below and hit that notification bell too to get notified whenever I post. So yeah guys, please subscribe, like and press the bell icon. Bye.